So hello guys. So hello guys. So I'm going to quickly go through the shell navigation assignment. I'm going to be explaining some stuff. So they said the first question is which command you use to display the current part of your current directory. PWD, as you know, like print working directory. That's PWD. So which command you use to display the content of a file? If you want to display the content of a file, just put less less the name of the file. You can use add the name of the file there, or probably cat the name of the file. Though there are like some differences between them, but you can check it out. So which command you use to create a directory? Mkdir, that is used for creating a directory. So which command you use to delete a file or a directory? If additional arguments for you to like remove a directory, you can use to remove a file, to delete a file, just use rm. So to remove a directory, it is actually rmdir. So like to remove a directory. So then they said, which command you use to copy a file? If you are going to like copy a file, you use cp. So cp, the name of the file, then to the destination that you want to copy it to. Which command you use to delete a directory? If you're going to, you see, which command you use to what? Delete a directory. So rmdir. Which command you use to create an empty file? That is touch. So you can also use vi, but that is another thing entirely. So which command you use to list all files of your current directory? That's ls. Like ls means list. So which command you use to change directory? That's cd. Like cd means change directory. Cd, you are just going to like type cd, the name of the directory. So I'm going to like go through some examples. So they said which command you use to like rename or move a file. So we use mv. These things are just like very simple. So if you go to the tags, yeah, if you go to the tags, then you can see something like so. So for us to do this, I already did it, but I'm going to like show you how I did it. So they said change your working directory to root and then create an empty file. So cool. So get the sandbox. So set sandbox is just like an online terminal like created probably by ALX. I don't know. So you can use SSH, which is like which I might not be able to like use because I can't show my terminal from here. But I'm just going to use the web term. So this web term So this web term is just like yeah, the web term is just like an online terminal. Exactly, it's simple. So ls, if you ls, this is just list. So that is it. So very simple. Ls means list. So and from the question they said we should change what? Change our working directory. So the word to root. This if you want to like know the working directory, like the part of the working directory, the link to the working directory, you just click this pwd. So we see like slash. So that is just the name of the working directory. So slash, yeah, that is just the name of the working directory. So we can change the working directory to root cd. So if you want to change the cd, then root. See the space, I put a space. So we're already in the root. How do you know? Just ls. You see that this is quite different from when we list everything here. So when we listed it, say it was like, it's just like new school and school is amazing, so cool. I already like did it. So that was the reason why you can see so cool. And then if you are just starting your own assignment, there will not be so cool there. So 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 this is how I like created a so cool file. So to create a file, just touch then the name of the file. So assuming we want to like create so cool, so touch so cool. But since I already created so cool, I'm not going to like create so cool. So I can just say touch file. So if I did touch file, then ls means list everything inside the directory. So you can see the file that we created. So rm file. So it's going to like remove the file. So if I ls, see that what the file is not here again. So that is the first question. So So then let us go to the second question. So more of me is just change your working directory to root. So you're going to like get a new sandbox, then change the working directory to root by cd root. So then copy the file school to tmp. So let me just show you how to like create how to copy a file. So how to copy a file. Let me create a new file. To create a file, touch touch S. So I create a new file S. So I want to like copy S to another file. Probably another file. Yeah. I can just say CPS. this is the name of the file, then probably to another file. I can just say the name of the other file is file. So if I do ls right now, you see that what thi- this is the file that we have before. Then a new file was created, which was called file, CPS file. That is just how to like do it. So then the next question is access your sandbox. Change your working directory to root. We know how to like change our working directory to root now. So then they said they name the old school to new school. So this is very simple. So if you want to like rename something in Linux, what they are telling you to do is simple. So let us rm file. So let us create a new file. Share touch to create a new file. Touch, let me say touch m. The name of the file is m. So I want to like rename the m. Unless you can see m. So I want to rename m. So I will just say like mvm to the new name I want to like give it. So I can just say new m. So let us now do ls. So you see that what new m, the m is not here again because I already like move it. I already like rename it. Moving is also the same thing as renaming. So let me just let me rm new m. I'm removing it. Yeah. So that is that. So move the file. You can also like use, okay. So you can move they said change to root, you can change to root, move the file here, move the file not here to like just put mv not here to like to tmp right school. So so this is quite very simple. So you are just going to like change your directory to root the way we did it in the first time, then use mv not here to tmp right school. That is that. So the next question for they said change your working directory to root. So this is very simple. So root, then delete the file ready to be removed. So this is just also very simple. Just rm ready to be removed. It's going to like remove. There will be space between rm and ready to be removed. So then they said change your working directory to root, then create a directory called school is amazing. So this is very simple also. So let us just go here and so let us we want to like know the working directory. So pwd should, oh sorry. So ls, if I do ls, so you can see that what this so this is the stuff that are inside my working directory. So pwd, I want to like know the working directory. So I'm already in the root, so I don't need to change to the root again. So then they said we should like create a directory called school is amazing. So if I'm going to like make a directory mk, so it will be what mkdir school. Let me just say SCH. So ls, you see that SCH. So SCH, and you see that the color of SCH is different from new school. New school is a file, SH is a directory. Directory means like folder. So if I'm going to like remove the directory, I'm just going to say rmdir So this is to remove the directory. If I'm going to like ls everything, so you see ls the list the file inside my working directory. You see that there is no SCH there again. So that is that. So we already like create a working directory. We already create a working directory. So and I already showed you how to like remove a directory. So that is just that about that. Oh, let me change. Okay, sorry. So yeah, I already like show you how to like create a a directory. Then I already like show you how to like remove a directory. So that is just that. So